A toilet that constantly clogs is frustrating, but the good news is that most cases can be solved with a combination of proper use, maintenance, and minor adjustments. Using liquid soap as a simple home remedy can help prevent and even temporarily fix a toilet that constantly clogs. It can also help break up minor buildup that may be partially obstructing the drain. To use liquid soap to help stop a toilet from constantly clogging, start by pouring about ½ cup of liquid dish soap directly into the toilet bowl. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes so the soap can lubricate the trap and any partial blockages in the drain. After the waiting period, pour a kettle or bucket of warm water into the bowl from waist height, which helps push the loosened waste through the pipes. The combination of soap and warm water often allows minor clogs to slide through without plunging. For best results, this method can be repeated once or twice a week as a preventive measure to keep the pipes clear and reduce the chance of recurring clogs. A flange plunger is specially designed for toilets, with a narrow extension at the bottom that fits into the toilet drain to create a tight seal. To use it effectively, first make sure there is enough water in the bowl to cover the plunger's cup. Insert the flange into the drain opening, keeping the cup fully submerged. Push down gently at first to expel air, then use a series of firm, controlled thrusts, pushing and pulling without breaking the seal to generate strong suction and pressure. This action helps dislodge the blockage in the toilet trap or the immediate drain pipe. After several strokes, pull the plunger away while maintaining the seal to see if the water drains. If it does, flush the toilet to ensure the clog is fully cleared. A toilet auger, sometimes called a plumber's snake, is a specialized tool made to tackle tough clogs that a plunger can't reach. It features a long, flexible metal cable with a curved tip that can navigate through the toilet trap and deep into the drain. Its durable construction allows it to move through the toilet's bend safely without harming the porcelain. It's especially useful for modern, water-saving toilets, which often have narrower passages that are harder to clear. This makes the auger a dependable option for both minor blockages and more stubborn clogs when a plunger alone is not enough. To prevent clogs in the first place, it's important to flush responsibly. Avoid disposing of items like wet wipes, feminine hygiene products, cotton balls, or other non-flushable materials in the toilet. By following these methods, you can quickly and effectively deal with most toilet clogs on your own, saving time, money, and unnecessary stress.